Welcome back to another episode of Low Carb Cocktails. This is another one of my product review videos, and this is kind of not stepping in the lines of drinking, but some one of the tools that's really handy to have when you're having guests and cocktails and drinks like that, and that's going to be some coasters. So Widroo Coasters, they're a cork coaster, and they kind of messaged me. They've been following me on Instagram and liking some of my pictures, and I asked them, hey, you know what? Let me see kind of what you got, and let me kind of review it a little bit. So they sent me a pack, and it's kind of neat. Comes with 16 cork coasters and a little holder, and a little neat bottle opener. Just a little pocket-sized key ring kind of opener kind of thing. So kind of neat little shiny blue. It's got the little tab on it to pop open cans with. Probably could use this in my last video with the hard seltzers. If you haven't seen the hard seltzer battle, you can check that video out right here. So it comes with sort of like really neat bottle can opener. So in a little neat stand. Now these, I've been messing around with them. I have been kind of putting them through the ringer per se. They're very absorbent. I've had cork coasters before. I don't even know if I have them anymore. They're usually with big chunks of cork. They fall apart real easy. They're not very absorbent. One of the things I like about these are they are absorbent, super absorbent. They don't have to worry about any moisture dripping off the cocktail, especially if you're doing mules when you've got the frosty glass, liquid coming off. So these are pretty good coasters. I will say I did break one because I was trying to see how flexible they are, and it almost bent completely in half. I mean, I had this thing bent, as you can see now. It's pretty flexible. It's really thick, condensed cork. Real quick, just a quick review. I kind of told them I was going to want to talk to you guys about it, let them know what I thought. It's a worthwhile buy. There'll be a link in the description below for you to pick these up yourself. I highly recommend them. If you have cork coasters, you know, there's a whole bunch of kind. I had some ceramic ones. They always, condensation drips on top, still falls onto the furniture, onto the tables. I've had some bamboo ones, same thing. They're just not absorbent, and that's what I like about the cork coasters is they're super absorbent, especially the Widroos. So pick some up yourself. You kind of see how it works out. And if you have anything, if you pick some up, try them out. Let me know what you think, guys. So y'all have a great day. I'm going to finish my Acadiana Mule. Oh, that video is right here. See y'all later because I'm going to have a great day myself.